Saving a file in Reaper. So when I start the project in Reaper, what I like to do is define where I'm going to save those files on my hard drive and the naming conventions for those files. So before I start my project, I have a template folder, and the naming for this is the year, the month, and the day, an underscore, and then the name of the project. Inside here, I make a folder called Stereo Bounces, and anything I bounce down to stereo in Reaper goes into this folder, which keeps it separate from the WAVs I record directly into Reaper. So the first thing I'll do is I'll copy this template and then I'll rename it to my project. So the year, the month, and the day, and then the name of the project. In Reaper, I then want to save the project. So I go to the File menu and I have two options. I have Save Project and Save Project As. Save Project As will save another file. It won't overwrite my current save. Whereas Save Project will directly overwrite the file I'm working on. So in this instance, we want Save Project As. And then we navigate to the folder we just made, double click, and then Reaper wants us to give a file name. So again, I use the same convention, the year, the month, the day, underscore, my project. And then I like to give some contextual information. So if I'm starting a project, I'll put init for initial. If I'm mixing, I'll change this to mix. And if I'm mastering, I'll change this to master. Then an underscore, and then a number that I'll increment up each time I save another version of the project. So press enter, and now we're saved. If we go to our folder, we can see Reaper's made us an audio folder, and all the WAVs that we record will go directly into here, and also a Reaper project file. So we make a few changes in our project. Maybe we record some WAVs and we want to save this again. We want to keep our initial version of the project. We've made changes. We want to keep both versions. So in that case, you go to File, Save Project As. Reaper will ask us for the file name. We increment this up to 2, press enter, and now we've saved that file. And inside our file structure, we can see there's the file Reaper's just made, and we now have both project files. So we could click on this one and go back to the original project before we made these tracks. So it turns out I want 5 tracks, say, for this save, so I add another track. And in this case, it's a small change. I'm happy to overwrite the save I just made. So in this case, I would go to File and Save Project. And now we've overwritten this O2 file, and Reaper also handily creates a little backup file as well, just in case this one gets deleted or corrupted in some way. And that's how you save a file in Reaper.